Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to remove restricted mode on TikTok. Sometimes you may notice that certain videos on TikTok are hidden or not showing up. This usually happens because restricted mode is turned on. Restricted mode is a feature that limits content that may be inappropriate for some viewers, like sensitive or mature videos. If you want to see all videos and have full access to TikTok content, you can turn off restricted mode. Here's how to do it on your mobile device. First, open the TikTok application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Now tap on the profile icon from the bottom right corner to open your profile page. Then tap on the three lines at the top right corner to open the menu. Here, tap on Settings and Privacy to access all your account options. Now tap on Content Preferences. This is where you can manage what type of content you see on TikTok. Here, tap on Restricted Mode. From here, you can turn off restricted mode. Turning it off will remove content limitations and allow you to see all types of videos on TikTok. After that, go back to the home page and start browsing TikTok. You will now have access to all videos, including those that were previously restricted. Turning off restricted mode does not affect your account settings or privacy. It only changes the type of content visible to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you at the next one.